Are you looking for a primary residence or a second home? Well, if that's the case, check out this newly renovated beach bungalow. This property features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, white shaker cabinets with quartz countertops, a great front deck for relaxation and entertaining, all while being less than 5 minutes from the best beaches here on Aquidneck Island. Let's tour this property. If you'd like some more information on this property or any other properties here in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.